Instagram makes money from Reels through various monetization strategies. Here's how Instagram generates revenue from Reels. Advertisements. Instagram inserts ads in between Reels content. These ads appear as short videos and can be skippable or non-skippable. Advertisers pay Instagram to display their ads to a targeted audience within the Reels feed. Sponsored content. Influencers and content creators on Instagram can partner with brands to create sponsored reels. These sponsored reels promote a brand's products or services and generate revenue through brand collaborations. Creator monetization. Instagram offers monetization opportunities for creators who produce engaging reels. This includes features such as Instagram's branded content tool, which allows creators to tag brand partners in their reels and earn revenue from those partnerships. Shopping integration. Instagram has integrated shopping features into Reels, allowing businesses to tag products within their Reels videos. Users can click on these tags to view product details and make purchases, generating revenue for both Instagram and the business. Platform fees. In some cases, Instagram may charge fees for specific services or features related to Reels. For example, there may be fees associated with promoting Reels to a wider audience or accessing advanced analytics.